Since the foundation of Daechang Forging Company in 1955, it has been growing as an internationally known forging company with a mission statement: better quality, faster process, competitive prices. The corporate brand DCF was launched in 1998, and it has made a legendary business story to win the Tower of 200 million USD Export Award in 2012, the 10th year of having advanced in the global competition. Daechang Forging Company Limited has been operating in an aggressive marketplace, both nationwide and worldwide. It has been a reliable supplier for globally reputable heavy industry enterprises such as Trek Incorporated, USA, Volvo, Doosan, Hyundai, Caterpillar, JCB, Liebherr, and currently exporting to approximately 70 countries. Daechang Forging Company Limited has achieved international standards ISO 9001, ISO TS 16949, and ISO 14001, and other numerous product development certifications, and has been awarded for international quality control standard, as well as environment-friendly management. Our clients, who always look for the best quality, have been greatly impressed by our product and commitment. Daechang Forging Company Limited is dedicated in taking steps forward to be one of the best market leaders in the global forging industry. Product introduction. Daechang Forging Company Limited mainly manufactures undercarriage, a supporting framework of the body of heavy earth-moving equipment such as excavator and bulldozer, track link, track bush, track pin, track chain assembly, track shoe, track rollers, idler, sprocket segment, fabrication. Daechang Forging Company Limited also manufacture fittings for automotive vehicles and marine engines. Crankshaft. Forging process. Stringent quality control makes the best product. Under the slogan, excess inventory is unjustifiable loss, and the right procedure will produce the right results, Daechang Forging Company Limited pursues the absolute best quality while operating safely through extensive investment in research and development. Daechang Forging Company Limited has met its clients' needs through exclusive technology and Daechang Forging Company Limited's corporate spirit. As the best in the nation to the best in the world, the company that strives to be the best, with passion to reach its goals of becoming a global leader. Daechang Forging Company Limited will continuously march forward to innovate the forging industry. Global number 1, Daechang Forging Company Limited.